Hey, welcome to Yoga. I'm Antonia, and this is Innovasana Think Tank, a play space for creating new asana. We are going to dive deep into a very cool asana. It's called LinkedIn. How about that? Let's see. Tip to the right, dropping your hips to the right. Bring your forearm down. Step your left foot forward in front of the right knee. Then scoot your hips back and in, so you kind of lay like a mermaid. Now, here is the deal. Thread your left arm through to grab onto the outside edge of your right foot. Once you have that, heel toe your left foot towards your right hand. You see where I'm getting, right? I'm going into that clasp, so keep on heel-toeing the foot. And once you get there, shimmy your shoulder under your knee crease, clasp the left foot with the right hand. Right now, flex the right foot and gaze over your knee. Heel-toe the foot a little bit more, and here you are completely linked in to your body and soul. Thanks for practicing LinkedIn Innovasana with me in Innovasana Think Tank. You can subscribe to our channel, Yoga, for many more Innovasanas, creative videos, and targeted routines for all types of conditions and needs, anytime from the comfort of your own home. Thank you.